The annals of human achievement glow with the saga of robotics, an odyssey that traces its origins not to modern workshops, but to the fertile imaginations of ancient visionaries. These dreamers envisioned iron companions within mythological lore and early narratives, laying the groundwork for the dawn of robotics. This exploration delves into the embryonic stages of robotics technology, from the ancient automata to the first programmable machines, highlighting the leap from fiction to tangible reality. Early robotic prototypes, embodying the ingenuity of their creators, symbolize not just metal and wire, but a limitless desire to innovate and shape the future. As we explore these pioneering inventions, we inch closer to understanding the evolution of robotics from mechanized figures to sophisticated entities powered by electronics and algorithms, setting the stage for an industrial and societal transformation. Our journey into the heart of robotics, where innovation surges from curiosity, confronts the transformative impact robotics has on our world. Robotics technology has become a pivotal force across various sectors, from precision-driven manufacturing to healthcare and service industries, revolutionized by robotic assistance. Amid these advancements, we encounter pressing ethical dilemmas and concerns about job displacement, signaling a workforce in swift evolution. However, the narrative evolves to emphasize enhancement and collaboration, portraying robots as partners in roles that surpass human capabilities, opening new employment vistas and redefining the nature of work. This transition not just tests us, but offers a unique opportunity to craft a future where technology elevates humanity, leading us towards untapped potentials. As we approach the climax of our robotics odyssey, we're reminded of the enduring spirit of innovation that propels us forward, promising a future ripe with possibilities that extend beyond the horizon of our current imagination. Standing on the brink of a new dawn in robotics, we glimpse a future where robots transcend being mere tools to become partners in shaping a brighter world. Envisage a tomorrow where robots bring efficiency to societal challenges, from healthcare to environmental restoration, embodying not science fiction, but a reality under construction. This ongoing journey of innovation is a testament to our creative and resilient spirit, with each breakthrough offering new solutions to age-old problems. As we close this chapter on robotics, we're called to maintain a focus on the ethical integration of these technologies, ensuring an inclusive advancement. The future beckons with promises of profound impacts on our way of life, work, and interpersonal relations, inviting us to step boldly into this new era of discovery and ingenuity.